This is the introduction video to my series on data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms are really useful for problem solving, and a lot of software engineering interviews will involve some knowledge of them. This series is going to require some fundamental knowledge of programming. If you don't feel like you're there yet, I have a series called Intro to Programming on my channel, and it will also be linked below if you want to go there first. Data structures are ways of representing more complex data, usually by using collections of the primitive data types, which are ints, floats, booleans, and characters. An algorithm is a sequence of steps that allow you to do something. A real-world example of this is a recipe. If you want to bake a cake, you do this, then this, then this, then this, and then you've got a cake. In a sorting algorithm, you do this, then this, then this, then this, and then your collection is sorted. This is the home screen for my Data Structures and Algorithms Visualizer project. As the name may suggest, I have 6 visualization tools for data structures and 6 for algorithms. Now, there are a lot more data structures and a lot more algorithms out there than just these, but I think this is a good selection as a good introduction to the topic. If I go into one of the pages, for example, graph, you can see what the application has to offer. We've got a title up here. We've got 2 buttons for changing some of the settings that relate to graphs specifically. We've got the main model, which is these 4 boxes here. And we've got this controller down here, which allows you to interact with the graph. Now, you may have noticed that as I hover over these different elements, we get some text appearing at the bottom here. This is one of the big points of the app. So for example, if we hover over the graph title, we can see some information about the graphs. I'm going to be using the classic theme for this series, but the application also supports a variety of preset defaults, including 3 colorblind options. You can also set your own using the custom option. Here you can see where I've been playing about with it before. We've got a red color and a red text color and a black background. We can change this to more of a gray background if we do AAAAA. You can also change the hover text to maybe a green color. And now when I hover over something, it goes green. This project is available on my GitHub account, which I will link down below. The next video will be about arrays and linked lists.